So the question is, if the variance of the following frequency distribution, where the value of class 10 to 20 is 2 and 20 to 30 is x and 30 to 40 is 2. So the variance of this table is 50. So we have to find the value of x, which is this. So now let's move to the solution. So this is the solution. This is the formula given for the variance, which is sigma fi xi minus x bar whole square upon sigma fi minus whole square sigma fi x minus x bar upon sigma fi. Now we would create this table, frequency distribution table, and we would write the value of x and the value of f. So we would take the average. It was in the question, it was given 10 to 20. So we would take the average of this both the values. So it will come out to be 15. And similarly for other two sets. So you'll get 15, 25 and 35. And then we would calculate these values, and then after calculating this we would put this in the equation. So we would get this. So after solving we would get x bar is equal to 25, and then we had the value of variance given in the question, which was 50. So we would now we would replace, substitute those values. So 100 upon 4 plus x equals 50. Then the value of x will come out to be 4, which is the answer.